Motorcycle Rosso.
Ladies and gentlemen, what we got here? We got a BMW scooter, a nice one, for sure a good looking one, very good looking one. It's a C400X because it's existing in GT version also. This is X, that means that it's sport, right somewhere here, sport. Is it a good scooter? Follow this video. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, what we got in this motorcycle? First of all, this is the model with connectivity. You can buy it without it, with a normal analog clock. It's the model that is keyless. That means that I have the keys on my pocket somewhere, and it's existing just one normal key to open the saddle for a technical reason. And what else we got? We got nice handles, we got a space here and here. Also here is existing USB connection. And let's open now the saddle, that is a magic. It's nice, it's got a nice system here. It's of course hydraulic, the tools are here, but take a look here. I press a button here and this is going down, you can see it from here. Up and down. So now that I am moving, there is no space for a big helmet, but if I stop, I can put my helmet inside here. Doesn't matter how big is it. BMW call it flex case, and I'm very positive on it. Also, there is existing an extra place here for a jet helmet. Let's see now what else. We got a single stand, we got a double stand, we got a heated grip, we got a heated saddle, and we are going up to the bike. Do I feel comfortable? Yes, I feel very comfortable. Everything is in the correct position. I have the typical BMW roller here for the connectivity. I have a place for my legs, and the windscreen is not enough. We need a bigger windscreen. The saddle is nice and comfortable, but it's hard. And let's see now with Georgia. Back footrests with a rubber, big one. And let's see now with Georgia. Georgia, how long you can go?
It's very, very nice because it's a big seat. It's a little bit hard.
Yes.
But it's okay. Many kilometers.
You can go outside of the city to the next city and the city after it.
Maybe
so
the next.
100, 200, 300 kilometers per day.
Yes.
Nicely. We can do with that scooter 300 kilometers away from our city. But don't forget that scooters are mainly made for the city and around of it. You can see it in any weather conditions, in all light condition. This is the first page. You can see the kilometers that we need to do till we go for refueling. You can see the kilometer counter in the first page. You can see the temperature of the outside and the clock. You can see of course the ABS, traction control, and etc. And what we are doing, we are having the typical menu of BMW. from my vehicle, that is important. We can see all the information for our vehicle. I'm going out and I can move to connectivity. Here what we got. This is another type of clock. You will see it in bridge to bridge. I'm going out. Then we got the navigation, if we have navigation, media, if we will connect it with something, and telephone, if we will connect it with something. So it's an easy clock anyway, and lovely. Let's start it. In the air. Whee! I'm very fast. I can go by standing. And the gas is not by wire, you know, it's electronic. That's it. Κλείσε. Κλείσε βρε. Έκλεισε. Okay, I feel comfortable. I have a good view back, I'm not so good protected, and the sound of the engine, it's nice. Let's move on now. We have to change some direction. Okay, nice, we do it easily. And the brakes are amazing. Performance, 35 horses, nice, easy, it's okay. Good bike. What we got here? We got the typical light of BMW. Like this, but it's beautiful face anyway. It's very good looking with a windscreen nicely, and of course everything is LED, and you know all this lovely, the flashlights. We got good protected the radiator of the bike here, and we got 8 pistons of brakes to stopping us. Scooter with 8 pistons. We got 2 4-piston calibers by Jihuan. Jihuan is a Spanish company made in China, owned by Brembo. And back we got a double piston brake. What about the braking of this bike? Nice braking, you feel very safe, especially for the beginners riders that they are using mostly the scooters. It's super perfect. Still, I can't believe it. We are in the level that the scooters are braking with 8 pistons. With 8 pistons, the scooters. Nice. So anyway, we are going back to the engine. We got a 4-stroke, a liquid cool single cylinder engine that is like this laid down. That it's a 350 cubics and give us 34 horses at 7,500 RPM and 35 Nm at 5,750 RPM. It's got the consumption of 3.5 liters per 100 kilometers by the book, and is it a good engine? It's got a nice sound, and the performance is normally for these horses. You are waiting this, then you read 35 horses, this is what you are expecting. So I try to see now how they have made it. It's so nice with so many details. So inside the fender that write 400 here, I see the wells here on the frame. It's so good. Everything is so nice made in this bike. I see the inox exhaust by the other side. So nice made. I love the way that they have made this bike. I love it. It's beautiful and so well made. Quality. The quality of this bike is perfect. Take a look, quality in the saddle, even if it's hard. Take a look, the plastics. Take a look. I hit it and doesn't matter. Quality. Saddle. This flex case by BMW. So nice. Everything, even this is so fat. Everything in this scooter is a perfect made. Perfect made. Okay, those are the three different colors that this scooter is existing. This is the one of the video. Here is the gray, the silver, let's say one, and here is the black. Which one you prefer more is up to you. Okay, what is the difference between the Model 400X and the Model 400 GT? First of all, they are for completely different purpose. This is a sport scooter. This is a scooter, let's say, for Gran Turismo. You're going around the world with this scooter. Anyway, let's be serious now. Okay, we got the same brakes, the same suspension, the same frame, and the same engine. The saddles are completely different. This is a sport saddle. This is a saddle, as you can see, that is more comfortable. Also, the position of the rider, it's more comfortable here and more attack, let's say, here. The windscreen is much bigger here, and the plastics are completely different, because here we got small carpet and we got footrest for the second rider. Here we have a bigger carpet and we don't have footrest for the second rider, we got a big area. So I have to inform you also that the connectivity and the keyless that they are not standard here in GT model are standard. So those are the basics difference between those two BMW scooters. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, what I believe for this scooter. This is a scooter with an excellent quality of making. This is a scooter with amazing good brakes. The brakes are good. Very good brakes. The performance, it's okay, it's typical for those horses. It's extremely beautiful, at least for my eyes. I like it so much in this version and in this color, and it's good to take you even 300-400 kilometers far away from your city with one or two person. So I am positive to this luxury scooter, and especially with all those heated grip, because we got heated grip and heated seat in this scooter. Lovely. I feel safe and hot at the winter time. Georgia, what is your opinion?
I love it. I like it so much. The appearance here, very nice, very nice. I like that it has spaces. I like this place here that you can put a bag. I like the handling. I like everything.
Okay.
The only thing I don't like very much is the saddle.
It's a little bit hard. So Georgia,
yes.
Now that we are by the sea, I will start the Kalitechnics. I will say a poem. Poetry, ladies and gentlemen. Μία βαρκούλα πήρα να πάω μία βολτίτσα, μήπως και μου κάτσει καμιά μικρή μουχρίτσα.
Και γιατί γύρισες?
Γύρισα λοιπόν ξοπίσω και το έκανα με χάρη, γιατί μάλλον θα έμενα με το χέρι στη λαγουδέρα. Στη λαγουδέρα από τη βαρκούλα. So, ladies and gentlemen, after this amazing quality, I have to tell you that this is Georgia and Ioannis for κόκκινα φεγγάρια. Motorcycle, rock solo. Rock solo.
You mean you're solo?
Rock show, rock show, rock show. Thanks for watching us.
Thank you.
Πεύγω.
Solo.
Star Wars solo.
Solo μπουζούκι.
Motorcycle, Rosso.
The tank is in perfect condition.